Okay. This one's from Family Guy, I think.
Stewie, why did you do it?
Yeah,
We're
why?
having so much fun, Bri. Besides, the Earth is on fire. One dog driving a Prius won't fix that.
Where to?
Let's do donuts on Mark Ruffalo's lawn.
Wait, what? Whoa, that's a lot of mud.
Come on, you guys, knock it off.
Hey, why don't you turn into the Hulk? Oh, right, you're just a Hollywood sissy.
I'm calling the cops.
Oh, you hear that, Brian? Hulk's calling the cops.
Uh-oh.
Turns out old Mark really was the Hulk.
Whoa!
Brian and Stewie got tossed clear up to New Hampshire. I'm Sam Elliott. This concludes your B story.
A little note to self, do not go crazy when old Mark was being Hulk. And that goes to Jellystone Fancy Fancy.